Confirm left fire warning.
Left fire warning confirmed.
Right prop lever, full forward.
Confirm right prop lever.
Right prop lever confirmed.
Right prop lever full forward.
Left power lever, mid position.
Confirm left power lever.
Left power lever confirmed.
Left power lever, mid position.
Left prop lever, feather.
Confirm left prop lever.
Left prop lever confirmed.
Left prop lever, feather.
Left fuel lever, off.
Confirm left fuel lever.
Left fuel lever confirmed.
Left fuel lever, off.
Left fuel emergency switch, off.
Confirm left fuel emergency switch.
Left fuel emergency switch confirmed.
Left fuel emergency switch, off.
Left fire pull handle pull.
Confirm left fire pull handle.
Left fire pull handle confirmed.
Left fire pull handle pull.
Left boost pump switch off.
Confirm left boost pump switch.
Left boost pump switch confirmed.
Left boost pump switch off and lights on.
And engine fire in flight emergency checklist.
Engine fire in flight checklist. Memory items are complete. Power lever, idle.
Left power lever, idle.
Confirm left power lever.
Left power lever confirmed.
Left power lever, idle. Proceed to cross F engine shutdown.
Alright, cross F engine shutdown, please.
Generator switch, off.
Left generator switch, off.
Left generator switch, off. Bleed air switch, off.
Left bleed air switch, off.
Left bleed air switch is off.
Start by turning down.
Roger. Prop auto feather switch, off.
Auto feather switch is off.
It says to proceed to G, landing with engine inoperative.
Let me get the turn back inbound and then we will continue with that.
Roger.